In this video, I'll show how I installed strut channel to the front of my pickup truck bed to make a rail system used to attach fork mount bicycle racks and eye bolts that can be used as cargo tie downs. Materials used for this project include 1 5/8 by 13/16 inch strut channel, square, thick 3/8 inch strut washers, 3/8 16 threaded cone nuts, 1/4 20 threaded cone nuts, bicycle holders, 1/4 20 and 3/8 16 socket screws, 3/8 inch eye bolts, nuts, and lock washers. The first step is to cut the strut channel to the width of the bed. My Chevy Colorado has 3 knockout holes along the front of the bed, and I'll be making custom brackets to clamp the strut channel at these locations. To make the brackets, a portion of the 3/8 inch cone nut will be attached to a strut washer. Ideally, these would be welded together, but since I don't have a welder, I'll screw them together instead. The brackets are ground and shaped until they will easily fit into the knockout holes. The brackets are attached to the strut with socket head screws. With a little finesse, the strut and brackets are inserted into the knockout holes and the screws are tightened to clamp the rail in place. These fork mount bicycle holders can now be easily attached to the rail using 1/4 20 cone nuts and socket head screws. You can see I subsequently painted the rails black to match the bed. This makes a nice system to mount the holders and transport my bicycles. When not in use, these holders can rattle in the bed. This can be corrected with a small piece of hose. This strut rail system also makes it very easy to install eye bolts to use as cargo hold downs. It's a useful mounting rail for my pickup truck bed. Thanks for watching.